Okay, let's see what else left for us to create. Okay, okay, what about if we start creating these small shape circles? That's really simple to create these kind of circle. Let me to go to my left view, then I'll go to my create tab. Make sure you in the shape, okay, not in the geometry, in the shape. But in the geometry you can create that that kind of circle with the torus, okay, but it is much more control if you use the shape and the circle which is over here. Okay, I'm going to create the circle like that, then go to the modify, make sure you're in the rendering tab and enable renderer in a viewport and a renderer. Okay, make sure these two has been clicked. Alt W to expand my viewport, move it up over here, then you can increase the thickness. Also I'm going to put my cursor in the middle. So I'm happy with the shape, really simple. Move it up. Okay, I want to create a more circle, one in over here, one in over here. What I could do, hold down the shift key and move the object. Okay, then I make a copy. Just I need a one copy. I guess we use this technique, holding down the shift key to create the cage vase. Hope you guys remember. Then I'll move it. Over here. Then again hold down the shift key and make a copy. Okay, when you move it, make sure you move along the axis. Okay, then it will go, otherwise it will go all over uncontrollably. Here we go, guys. Turn that shape. That's really easy. What would be the next one? Next one would be creating this kind of shape. Okay, I start with the sphere, then I create this one. Okay, simple sphere, then I modify that sphere into to create over here, create this bit. Therefore, let's create the sphere. Now I have to go back to the geometry tab, create geometry sphere, which is over here. Create the sphere in your perspective view, okay, like that. Press Z key to zoom it up. See? Then there's a lot of segment in here. First thing what I do, go to the geometry and I reduce the number of segment that I have. I'm going to type in, I'll do 18, okay, because you don't have that much of segment for little ball like that. Then I convert this one, right click, convert to editable poly. See, as soon as you convert, you can see those menu is popping up, those extra sub objects. Go to the polygons and I press Alt W to go my 4 viewport, then press Z key and zoom it up. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to delete all these polygons around here. If you see in your perspective view, once you select the polygon, if like your object look like this, even you select the polygon, you can't see the all the polygons is in completely red. See, I can see in any other viewport, but not in the perspective. What you should do, F4, press F4, then you see something like that. Okay, press delete key to get rid of the bottom bit. Then Alt W. Okay. Now I'm going to work in the border. Select the border. Make sure you're in the border. Select this one. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do, I hold down the Shift key and drag it down, and then I scale it. There's a couple of ways that you can get it done, this shape. Okay, this is not the only way. You can extrude the polygon, you can bevel the polygons, but I delete the polygons over here. Now I'm working with the border. Hold down the Shift key and go to like, make sure you in the scale tool. Hold down the Shift key, then move along these two axes, Y and X. Then again press W. First select the tool, press W, then hold down the Shift key to get the more polygons. Okay. Again, now I want to close this cap. Press select the scale tool, which is this one, or you can press the R. Select the scale tool, then hold down the Shift key, move along these two axes. Okay, that's a simple shape which I have done. Now again I want to align this one with this pole. You know what to do. Click the quick align. If your align tool look like this, make sure you're in the quick align. Okay. Then click this middle pole. It will quickly jump. Quickly snap your spear into the pole. Then what you could do, you can scale up and down, not up and down, in the middle. Then it will scale it proportionally. Press W key. Here we go. I got it done that bit. Now I want to copy the same shape into here. What I'll do, hold down the Shift key, drag it, then it will make a copy. It's okay. Then I want to turn this or this way. Okay, what I can't turn like that and keep it to 90 degrees, or I can type in my x-axis 90. Then I can snap this one to here, quick align. Make sure this one is being selected before you select the quick align. Then select the next object that you want to align with. Okay, that's right. Now again press Z key, then move it down. Then you can stretch up a little bit. Press W. Looking good, guys. Feel better about this project. I done that bit. Let's see what else I could create. Okay. Now I can start creating this lampshade area. Okay, let's start creating this little spear. Then this one, the lampshade and the light. Okay. These are simple shapes, guys. All I use this one I use the cone, and rest of these two I use the spear. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm doing this one a bit quickly. Create tab, spear, where's the spear? Here we go. Press Z key, then in the modify tab, make sure you got the 18 segment. What I'll do, and then the crop, and I'm going to crop it down. See, as I drag this one, create something like this. Can just scale it up and convert this one to editable poly. Make sure select all the vertices along here. Best way to select, in your side view. Okay, then you can select all the polygon. Then I'm going to flatten this guy down. I done that bit. I'm going to top of the hierarchy. Then I want to move this guy over here, quick align, up, like that. You can adjust the I click this bar and I'm adjusting the vertices. Then select the other object, you go to the top of the hierarchy and select, hope you guys know these things. Okay, I'm in here. Now I want to create the lampshade. Create, then make sure create, then cone in the geometry panel, cone. I'm going a bit fast, okay. I just click the lamp cone, then quick align with this one, then go to the modify panel. You can align the radius and also the radius too, which is this one, and the height. Here we go. Okay, once you've done that bit, have a look at the bottom. You can see this big cap which is covering the inside. What we want it to we should be able to see the inside. Convert to editable poly and delete that. Expand this one, go to the polygon and make sure you delete this one. But at the moment there is no thickness. You know, if there is no thickness, to add the thickness, what you should do, go to the modifier, see, okay, go to top of the hierarchy, modify, and the shell modifier. That's, we've been using the shell modifier since some time now. Okay, you can adjust the thickness. Here we go. Okay, that's all good. Now we got to create the light. Okay, first I collapse this one, collapse all, yes, modify. Then creating the light is really simple. Get this sphere like that and press Alt W and convert this one to editable poly. Convert to editable poly. I simply, what I'm going to do, select the vertex, select this row and move it up, select this row, move it down, as well as scale it down. Make sure you put your cursor in the middle, otherwise you scale it down along the one axis. See, that's all you got to do to create this little light globe. You don't have to create the exactly light globe. There's just things that is visible, because this light globe is going to hidden over here. Therefore, don't worry about it too much. Okay, that's only bit going to visible to the others. Okay.